What is a lion? A lion, Panthera leo, is a large carnivorous mammal belonging to the family Felidae. Known as the king of the jungle, lions are one of the most iconic wild animals. They primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and some open forests, mainly in Africa, with a small population in India. Asiatic lions. Characteristics of lions. 1. Social structure. Pride. Lions are the only big cats that live in social groups called prides, which typically consist of related females, their offspring, and a few adult males. Females, lionesses, do most of the hunting and care for the young. 2. Physical features. Mane. Male lions are easily recognized by their thick mane, which can vary in color from blonde to black. The mane serves as a sign of dominance and attracts mates. Size. Males can weigh between 330 to 550 pounds, 150 to 250 kilograms, while females are smaller, averaging 265 to 395 pounds, 120 to 180 kilograms. Teeth and claws. Lions have powerful jaws and sharp claws, essential for hunting and taking down prey. 3. Hunting and diet. Lions are apex predators and mainly hunt large herbivores like zebras, buffaloes, and antelopes. They are opportunistic hunters, often working together to bring down large prey. Nocturnal hunters. Lions are more active at night, crepuscular, taking advantage of the cooler temperatures. Roar. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers away, and it serves as a means of communication and a warning to other lions or predators to stay away. Speed and strength. Lions can reach speeds of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, but only over short distances due to lack of stamina. They are incredibly strong, able to take down prey much larger than themselves. 5. Lifespan. In the wild, lions live about 10 to 14 years, while in captivity, they can live up to 20 years due to better access to food and medical care. Endangered status. Lions are classified as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Interesting facts. Lazy lifestyle. Lions spend about 16 to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping to conserve energy for hunting. Mane color. A darker mane is often a sign of a more dominant and healthier lion. Symbolism. Lions are a symbol of strength, courage, and royalty in many cultures around the world. Lions are majestic animals with a powerful presence, known for their hunting skills, social structure, and dominant behavior in the animal kingdom.